Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video for you. We know how important it is to eat healthier while saving time in our busy lives. So, we've put together some fantastic meal prep ideas that will help you achieve both goals. Let's get started. Before we dive into the delicious recipes, let's quickly talk about why meal prepping is a game changer. By dedicating a few hours each week to preparing your meals in advance, you'll save time, money, and make healthier choices effortlessly. Plus, it's a great way to reduce food waste. First, let's go over the essential tools you'll need for successful meal prepping. We recommend investing in some good quality food storage containers, a sharp knife, and some handy kitchen gadgets like a vegetable chopper and a blender. Additionally, planning your meals in advance, creating a shopping list, and dedicating specific prep days will make the process even smoother. Now, onto our first meal prep idea, quinoa salad jars. These jars are not only vibrant and visually appealing but also packed with nutrients. They're perfect for a refreshing and satisfying lunch on the go. Next up, we have a delicious and time-saving dinner option, sheet pan chicken and veggies. This recipe is perfect for busy weekdays when you need a balanced meal without much effort. It's simple, versatile, and absolutely mouthwatering. For all the breakfast lovers out there, we have an amazing recipe, overnight oats. These make-ahead oats are not only convenient but also incredibly nutritious. You can customize them with your favorite fruits and toppings. Additional meal prep tips and ideas. Now that we've covered a few delicious recipes, let's share some bonus meal prep tips and ideas to keep things interesting. How about prepping smoothie packs, snack boxes, or even freezing ready-to-blend smoothie ingredients? The possibilities are endless. Wow, what a productive and tasty meal prep session we had today. We hope these healthy meal prep ideas inspire you to take charge of your nutrition and save time in the process. Remember, meal prepping is all about finding what works for you and your lifestyle. Experiment, have fun, and enjoy the benefits of healthier eating. As promised, we have an amazing meal prep plan for you to follow for an entire week. This plan includes 3 meals a day, carefully designed to be nutritious, delicious, and time-saving. Let's dive into it. Day 1, breakfast, berry parfait; lunch, quinoa salad jars; dinner, sheet pan chicken and veggies. On day 1, we start with a refreshing berry parfait for breakfast. It's made with layers of Greek yogurt, mixed berries, and a sprinkle of granola. For lunch, we enjoy the quinoa salad jars we prepared earlier, and for dinner, it's the flavorful sheet pan chicken and veggies. Day 2, breakfast, overnight oats; lunch, Greek chicken wrap; dinner, sweet potato black bean chili. Moving on to day 2, we begin with a bowl of overnight oats topped with your favorite fruits and nuts. At lunchtime, we have a satisfying Greek chicken wrap filled with grilled chicken, fresh vegetables, and a zesty yogurt dressing. For dinner, we indulge in a hearty sweet potato black bean chili. Days 3 to 7, continue showcasing the meal plan for each day, highlighting the variety of breakfast, lunch, and dinner options, and briefly describing the delicious recipes. For the remaining days of the week, we have an exciting lineup of meals. Day 3 offers a protein-packed breakfast burrito, a colorful and nourishing chickpea salad for lunch, and a comforting salmon and veggie foil pack for dinner. Day 4 features a wholesome avocado toast for breakfast, a vibrant and filling Buddha bowl for lunch, and a flavorful one-pot pasta for dinner. Day 5 starts with a refreshing green smoothie bowl, followed by a tasty and convenient caprese sandwich for lunch, and a nutritious and aromatic lentil curry for dinner. Day 6 brings us a delicious spinach and mushroom frittata for breakfast, a light and crunchy Asian slaw salad for lunch, and a satisfying and flavorful Mexican quinoa bowl for dinner. Finally, day 7 greets us with a stack of fluffy whole wheat pancakes for breakfast, a mouth-watering chicken Caesar salad for lunch, and a delightful and protein-rich veggie stir-fry for dinner. And there you have it, our complete meal prep plan for 3 meals a day, 7 days a week. By following this plan, you'll save time, eat healthier, and enjoy a wide variety of delicious meals. Remember, feel free to customize the plan according to your preferences and dietary needs. Happy meal prepping! Thank you for joining us on this journey of healthy eating and time-saving meal prep. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. We'd love to hear your feedback and see your creations. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.